The wait is finally over, and the tech world is buzzing with a level of excitement we haven't seen in years because the iPad Mini 8 has officially arrived in 2026. This isn't just a small tablet. It is a monumental shift in how we perceive portable computing power. For a long time, users felt that the smaller form factor was being left behind, but Apple has answered those calls with a device that packs the punch of a high-end workstation into a frame that fits comfortably in the palm of your hand. Imagine a world where your entire creative studio, your gaming rig, and your professional office are all contained within a device so light you'll forget it's in your bag. Today, we are breaking down every single detail, from the leaked benchmarks that shock the industry to the secret hardware upgrades that make this the most powerful compact device ever built. At the core of the iPad Mini 8 is a revolutionary leap in silicon technology. Moving into the 2026 hardware cycle, the focus has shifted toward extreme efficiency and sustained performance under heavy workloads. We are talking about a chip architecture that allows for professional-grade video editing, complex 3D modeling, and high-intensity multitasking without any thermal throttling. The display is a masterpiece in itself, featuring a new generation of panel technology that brings deep, true blacks and a peak brightness that makes the screen look like printed paper, even under the harsh midday sun. Every scroll is fluid, every color is vibrant, and the responsiveness of the touch interface feels almost telepathic. This is the screen we have been dreaming of for years, finally brought to life in the perfect 8-inch canvas. But what truly sets the iPad Mini 8 apart is how it fits into the modern, fast-paced lifestyle of 2026. We are no longer tethered to traditional desks, and the demand for a device that bridges the gap between a smartphone and a full-size laptop has never been higher. Whether you are a digital nomad traveling across the globe, a student taking handwritten notes with a redesigned stylus, or a professional who needs to review high-resolution footage on the fly, this device is your ultimate companion. The integration of next-generation wireless connectivity ensures that you are always connected at the highest possible speeds, making cloud computing and massive file transfers feel instantaneous. The design language of the iPad Mini 8 is a testament to minimalist elegance. Apple has pushed the boundaries of engineering to reduce the bezels to almost nothing, creating an immersive floating window effect that draws you into your content. The chassis is crafted from premium materials that feel incredibly solid yet surprisingly light, with a tactile finish that provides the perfect grip. The audio system has also seen a massive overhaul, with quad speakers that deliver a soundstage so wide and clear you'll find yourself questioning how such a small device can produce such cinematic sound. It is a sensory experience designed to keep you engaged from the first second to the last, making it impossible to look away. As we look at the broader landscape of the 2026 tech market, the iPad Mini 8 stands as a symbol of what is possible when design and power meet in perfect harmony. It challenges the idea that bigger is better and proves that the most capable tool is the one you actually have with you at all times. This is more than just a gadget. It is a catalyst for productivity and a gateway to a new level of digital freedom. From its industry-leading battery life that lasts through the most demanding days to the software features that turn a simple tablet into a dual-screen powerhouse, every aspect has been refined to perfection. The era of the Mini has returned, and it is more dominant than ever before.